So I've come back here and I've seen prices head up to that VWAP, sold off, currently breaking the lows. So prices do look like they want to head back down to these lows here. Problem is the other instruments. So yes, looks a bit better. So
order submitted.
It's gonna go short. Seems like we're selling here, so
Order filled.
So we've come down to the lows and we've broken the lows. We seem to still be having selling here, so decide to go short. I'm going to target
Order submitted.
the high. I'm going to target the high of this bullish candle here. So we'll see. Well, the candle's actually closed already. So this candle closed below the low, and the candle I'm in closed below that one. Interesting. Very interesting. So again, looking for that move down to this candle here, which was the catalyst candle for the market to move back up. Looking to target its highs. Let's see where those are. The highs are 74.25. That's 76.75. So let's go with 75. I'm just going to target these highs here. Again, good proof that me getting back in this market may not have been the correct decision, of course, but I do think could see this move down here, move up to VWAP. Probably the better or short entry would have been all the way up here at VWAP at around somewhere around there, around the 390s. Instead here I am shorting down at around 328, 330 or something. Actually shorting through a period 11:30, which hasn't been my best period, but we've seen this close below, another close below, so I'm looking for that follow through. Not quite down to the lows, but fairly close.
Order submitted.
So I'll put a stop all the way up there. So stop's almost at the that's why this short would have been so much better, because the stop could have gone above there. Let's see. I'm not in fact shorting near the highs. We're shorting, I think, closer to the lows, I believe. Let's just see. Are we shorting? Let's see where we are. Yeah, we're shorting closer to the lows than we are the highs, which isn't ideal. We are trading during that period that's proven difficult for me, that 11:30 Eastern Standard Time. Oh, what was that? Let's make sure. See that short near VWAP would have been so ideal, because it would not be near the low of the range. It'd be a pretty good area. Then the stock could go higher. So we were up 66 points before deciding to take this short. If this short doesn't work out, we'll end up giving back all the gains on the day. Now this short's going to be a true test of me sticking to the strategy and the plan, because if it doesn't work, it requires a true stop out, so I have to give back all the gains I've made so far today, all of the gains. So we'll see. We will see. One thing I haven't had a look at is whether there are any price levels in this area. And the very next price level is all the way down at 42,242. 242. Where are we on the day? Let's have a look. Currently down 224 points. Again, we just had a close of a candle. We're not really seeing a lot of volatility on these 5-minute candles here on NQ. Volatility seems to have fallen off a little bit here. The very last candle was only 26 points. 26 points in terms of range. Let's see where we are. So from entry to target, looking at 54 points. So about 2 candles of range. So looking at this, had this range here, saw the break, how that follows through. So this range aligns with this range over here. So this range here, you can see. So we've had a break of that range. So we're looking for prices to come down. And the very next level that we are looking at, it appears to be down to this area here, where this candle, the high of it was where we were before we started to turn around here. So just went 15 points in our favor, and this market's immediately turning around. Not surprise me if this thing turns around and takes out these highs. But ideally I'd like for it to do it after hitting my target. Imagine if it comes up, takes out the highs, and then stops us out before going down. See, the head price has come down to 307 now. So price is getting down to 307, which is about 30 points from our target. And this candle's looking to close. Let's see what we've got. It's got about 30 points of range on this candle. So volatility is there, it's just that we're not seeing it directionally. which is what I would like to see. I'd like to see it directionally and primarily to the downside. At the moment, as you can see with these wicks, we're seeing a battle between buyers and sellers. And ideally, I'd like to see this move before we get to lunchtime, ideally. Because at lunchtime we do see reversals. So we've been seeing selling off the open. Lunchtime we could see an absolutely crazy reversal. Take us all the way above 560s actually. Let's see what the range was on that candle. 31 points. Again, what's not going in our favor in terms of the market? Well, at the moment, RTY is still positive. ES is not down as much as NQ here. So those are things that aren't working in our favor. So from down at lows being up 15 points to being down 15 points here. Try to stay calm. Important to just put things into context that this market is pretty volatile. It's not unusual to see 80 points of pullback, so seeing 15 points, we need to hold that into perspective. Just thinking about it, if I would have got in on the rejection of that VWAP, 78 points right there. I was too afraid to take, and here I am with FOMO, wanting to short it down towards the lows. We'll see here. What's the range on this current candle? 22 points. So if we can get two candles to really just follow through from high to low, we'll likely get to target, but at the moment prices are chopping around. So even though we're getting 30-point candles, it's bi-directionally. It's both to the upside and downside. About 23 points at the moment. Let's see if we get expansion on the candle. See if we can get some expansion. Seem to be struggling for the expansion here. One minute to close. Let's see how we close here. close near the lows, or will we close bullish? Looks like we're going to close bullish here. With 37 seconds to go, we're seeing this candle being bought up. So we're looking for that further 50 points to the downside, but $11 seconds to go. Looks like we're going to close bullish here. There we go, we closed bullish. So that was a 23-point candle. So with the break of these lows, we would see more momentum. Momentum seems to be lost at the moment. Just hoping that we don't see momentum in the opposite direction, like take out all these stops and then reverse. Because at the moment we've not actually had a test of yesterday's close during regular trading hours. Actually came pretty close here at 13 or so points from that regular hours close around 5:30, but we haven't had that yet. And that's the thing about selling at the lower end of the range. You become susceptible to pullbacks, big pullbacks. Like we said in Q, does have big pullbacks, especially in the volatility that we've seen over the past couple of days. So we have to look at this pullback here. You're looking at 82 points from the lows to the highs. 82 points. Thing is, I can't panic because when I had those trades running throughout the day, when I had other scheduling commitments, I didn't panic or suffer major anxiety because these trades were still on. I just pretty much let what happened pretty much, and that resulted in some fairly big losses, but I just let the trays work. So I'm just going to go into mute. I'm going to have something to, I'm going to have some lunch because I haven't had any today. I didn't have a good night's worth of sleep either, but I'm going to have some lunch, see how that works out, and probably set myself some alerts. I'll probably come back if my target is hit. So I'm just going to go into mute. So currently about 11 points from target, about 10 points from target. So looking to see what we do here. We've had the move up, reject. We are about 6 points, 6 points from target. About 6 points from target just then. Let's see. Came about 1 point from target, I believe, just then. I'm not going to have this come all the way back, being 1 point from target, so I'm going to trade put my stop down. Let's see where we went. Wow, it's only like 2 ticks from target. Unbelievable. Literally, target's at 75. Prices came all the way down to 76, 75. 76, 75. My target's down at 75. Unbelievable. No. There we go. 75. Come on.
Order filled.
Okay, been filled. There we go.
Order canceled.
Cancel that order. So prices got to my target right there. That's our gain right there. So that was a short. Got this consolidation area, had a bounce there. Should have shorted around VWAP. Hesitated quite a bit. Actually shorted after we broke the range and followed through there. Decided to go short. Had to suffer through from pullback and seeing prices sell here. Wanted to take profit before we retested lows in around at 180. So took profit around at 76, 75 mark at the top of the range of this consolidation here. I was seeing more selling here, and of course if I would have kept my short from earlier, definitely would be recovering the losses from that big loss I had earlier in the week. Let's see, so it would have been up 200 points. So we're just gonna have to be happy with the points we've got. Definitely gonna be shutting it down here. 156 of this is actually from yesterday that was being bought over. So what I'll do is I will bring over the trade performance, because the trade performance is accurate and we generate. So what we actually gained today is 119. So we picked up 100, 119 here today. That's what we've picked up, and that's where we're going to end the video here. I'm going to say thanks for watching. So this is a part 2. So we came back. We're gonna have to do another recap video. So we came back, and that's what the trade idea was. So with it being 12 o'clock on a Friday, we're just gonna say, yeah, that's going to be it. Oh, we didn't have we'll look at first statistics on our recap video. Alright, thanks for watching.